Hi crafty people, this is Ellen from EGI Designs. Today I'm here to show you how to get a brush pen started. I know that when I first started out crafting and I got my first Wink of Stella pen, I had no idea how to actually make it work. So I thought I would show you in a quick tip today how to get the pens to working order. I have a couple of different types here. I have the new scrapbook.com white pen. I have the scrapbook.com black pen, some Spectrum Noir pens, a scrapbook.com glitter pen. So I'll just grab one of these and I will show you how to make it work. So here I have a scrapbook.com. It's a glitter pen. And so what you do, and all of these work the same, is that if you see the ring here, then you know that this has not been prepared yet for use. So the first thing you do is you take off, unscrew this part, and you take off this little ring. You don't need that. And you'll see that this is completely sealed off. So, and then in this side, there's a little kind of like a, I don't know, like a nozzle plug looking thing, and that has to go into there, and then the pen will work. So that's why you have to take this out. So anyway, so then you put this back on and you screw it down until you hear it click and sit inside there. There, you heard the click. So then what you can do is you take, this one doesn't want to click in there. Then you can actually take that off, the cap. And you want to make sure that this is screwed all the way down tight on the bottom there. So right now there's no liquid, paint, anything in here. So if you see on here where it says push, and this side says push, so you give it a little bit of a squeeze. You can kind of prime it a little bit, a little squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And what'll happen is the liquid will come down from here into this little chamber right here. Okay, and I don't know if you saw it there. So the liquid is coming into here. Whoop, see? And then it comes up through here, and then it comes out on the brush. I'm going to sop this up a little bit to soften up the bristles. But so now we have this primed and loaded and it's ready to go. So the glitter, I don't know if you can see it, but it's really sparkly. This kind of a pen. I wonder if I have... Trying to find a little darker piece so you could see this. So there you have it. So once it's all set and primed and ready to go, and if you ever need to add a little bit more, if this gets a little dry or you need some more sparkle, you can just push it again and a little more will come down and you will be good to go. So I hope that this has been a good quick tip for you. Like, subscribe, and have an awesome day. Bye-bye.